Single mothers, be serious with your business. Be serious, mind your own business, especially when you are dating a married man. You understand it? Guys, most of the married men, they are wasting your time most of the times when you look at that, because that person, he can call you, I need to see you. You understand it? That person, he is married and he wants attention. You are busy most of the times. He calls you when you are busy. Maybe it's holiday times, it's December or Good Friday. That person doesn't call you. He can spend that holidays, special holidays, with his family. You understand? Doesn't call you. He calls you when you are busy. You are busy, he calls you. He needs attention. When you are saying, baby, I'm busy, he can get angry. You understand? So guys, don't be fear sometimes. If he can leave you, it's okay. You understand? Be busy, guys. Hard work when you are a single mother. You understand? Care about your kids, tomorrow of your kids, because most of the married men, they are wasting your time. That person, he needs attention when you are busy. When you are not busy, maybe it's December time. Most of the times when December time, most of the people, they are not busy. You understand? That person, he doesn't call you because he can say, I want to spend time with my wife. You understand? He can say, I want to spend time with my wife, with my family. You understand? They go to holidays with his family. Maybe you can see pictures at Facebook. Guys, most of the people, they are wasting your time because sometimes maybe you can give him attention when you are busy. You can sacrifice to leave your work and go to give him attention, and that person doesn't give you, maybe maintain you, treat you like a queen most of the times. You understand? Sometimes be busy, guys. When you are a single mother, care about your kids' future, because guys, most of the married men, they want to waste your time. And that person, when he is calling you, maybe they are at his house with his wife, they are not okay. You understand? Be busy with something, because at holidays, maybe it's holidays, Valentine's, Mother's Day, that person, you didn't see him at all. You understand? Good Friday, maybe, and especially when holidays, December, you are spending your time alone. You understand? You are spending holiday alone, and he is spending holiday with his wife and kids. You understand? It's better sometimes to be single, because guys, you are paying attention with the person who doesn't care about you, who doesn't give you time. You understand? Some of the people, guys, sometimes you have to care about your kids and yourself.